A Knob token is a NFT, DeFi, and farming project fit into all-in-one Knobtastic machine. And the aim of the team of the Knob to create a magical knob art that will forever live on the blockchain. There are three different type of primary functions of the Knob: to create three separate farming pools, to cultivate more knobs, to create a nomadic marketplace that knobs, Ethereum and rugs can be used to swap for the limited editions NFTs, to be a resilient force as the NFT DeFi spaces continues to develop day by day. And in this video I am going to elaborate all the things and especially a pre-sale on.
Oh my god! Wow!
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire platform and the website of the Knob, and the best part, you must have to join their Telegram group and also follow them on the Twitter, so you will know and you will be updated about the pre-sale. As per my own knowledge, I think maximum in next 2 days the team will announce the pre-sale of the Knob tokens. Now I will tell you something about the tokenomics of the Knob token, how they are going to distribute the token and how they are going to sell the token to the community. Here you can see the entire supply of the token is entirely 30,000 tokens. It means not even a single token will be added after this. And here you can also see a Medium post where they elaborate all the things about the NFT and also about the Knob token. Now from the total supply of 30,000, 21,000 Knob for the pre-sale, 3,500 Knob for the liquidity locked on the Unicrypt, and 1,000 Knob for the rugs airdrop 10:1 ratio, 1,500 Knob team tokens locked with Trust Swap, and 3,000 Knob for the development. As the team is committed to making this project succeed and look forward to growing the Knob as the NFT sector continues to flourish nowadays. And to speedball the process of the Knob's vision, the team has begun the developing a protocol to farm knobs as well as the partner coin rugs. And at this time the team is currently in testnet and testing it daily. They are trying to provide the updates as they are going to finish the development and will have a fully functioning Knob farm by early December. And secondly, it will increase the liquidity of the knobs to allow the holders to farm more knobs and or the rugs. And secondly, it will bring the DeFi crypto into knobs. Now the best thing, number of people are going to ask one question, that what will be the price of one token in the pre-sale. Basically, as I am telling you each and everything about the Knob, but definitely I don't know about the exact price, because the team is going to announce the exact price of the Knob in maximum 2 days in the pre-sale. So it's your time to grab the opportunity right now. You must have to join them on the Telegram and also their other social media, so definitely you will know each and everything about the pre-sale and also you will better understand the project. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some friends. Thanks a lot.